Hello student, today we are going to discuss some important questions of NCRT which is very important for your board examination and other competitive examination, whatever you have to prepare for that. So the question is very conceptual and very easy. Everybody can learn it very easily. So the question is, if the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, a and a plus b, then find the value of a and b. So basically the question says that here given you a polynomial and zeros, so find the value of a and b. So let the zeros of the polynomial be p, q and r. So the p is a minus b, q is a and r equal to a plus b. Now the given polynomial is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. So the sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a. So minus of minus 3 equal to plus 3, which is divided by 1, so it is 3, and a minus b plus a plus b, b is cancelled out by minus b, so it is 3a equal to 3, hence a equal to 1. We have to find the value of a, which is 1. Now we have to find out the next value, which is b. So we have know that the product of three zeros is equal to minus d by a. So minus of 1 divided by 1 equal to minus 1. So a minus b into a plus b equal to minus 1. A is 1 here, so 1 into a square minus b square equal to minus. Again a square is a equal to 1, so 1 square equal to 1 minus b square equal to minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 is just put in LHS left hand side, so 1 plus 1 equal to 2 and minus b square is going on right hand side, so it is equal to b square. So b equal to root 2 and minus root 2. Hence we have got the value of a, which is equal to 1, and the value of b, which is equal to root 2 and minus root 2. Let's move to our next question. So our second question is of AP, which is arithmetic progression chapter. Now let's discuss the second question, which is find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 253. So basically the question is that we have to find out the last 20 term from this AP. So let's do it. Given the AP is 3, 8, 13, 253. So we have to find out the 20th term from last, not from first. When it is saying that find the 20th term from the AP, then we have to solve it very easily. But here a concept of last, from the last we have to find out the 20th term. So here from the when the question is saying from the last, here a becomes last term, because we have to find out the value from last, not from first. So the a value become the last value of the AP. So a equal to 253, and the common difference, which is d, is opposite of original d. So when we are going to find out the common difference, which is what, 8 minus 3 t2 minus t1 equal to 5. So just reverse it. So 5 minus 5 is the opposite of 5. So here the common difference will be minus 5. So now find the value of 20th term. So it is very easy. T20 equal to a plus 20 minus 1 into d. So what is a? 253 plus 20 minus 1 equal to 19 into d. So 253 plus 19 into minus 5, which is equal to 158. So this is the 20th term from last. When we are going to write down it, 253 and 250, 248, so on, and when we reach the 20th term, it will be 158. So this is the second question. Hope you like it. So let's move to our other question, which is third question. So our third question is that then Subha Roy started work in 1995 as an annual salary of Rs 5,000 and received an increment of Rs 200 each year. In which year did his income reach Rs 7,000? So the question is saying that a man named Subha Roy started work in a particular company in 1995 on starting salary is 5,000 and each year his salary increases by 200, and the question is we have to find out in which year his salary reached at 7,000. So in 1995 the starting salary is 5,000. So the starting means it is the initial point, means it is our A, first term. A equal to 5,000 and an increment of 200 each year. So it will be D of our AP, common difference. It is just in 1995 he got 5,000 salary. In next year means 1996 he got 5,200. Next year he also increased 200 in his salary, which is 5,400. This will be our AP, and the question is in which year he will reach at 7,000. So we have to find out the year. So here Tn term, last term, is equal to 7,000. So what is the formula of Tn, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 into T, which is equal to 7,000. What is A here? A is 5,000 plus n minus 1 into D. D equal to 200 equal to 7,000. So 5,000 plus n into 200 equal to 200 minus 200 into 1 equal to 200, which is equal to 7,000. So 200n equal to 7,000 minus 4,800, which is equal to 2,200, and n equal to 2,200 divided by 200 equal to 11. So after 11 years his salary will reach at Rs 7,000. So he have to wait for 11 years to reach at 7,000. So this question is also very interesting, and this is also of the chapter AP, which is arithmetic progression. This is very important and very conceptual question, which is also asked in your board examination. Maybe, I don't know, but it can be asked in your board examination. So let's move to our next question. Fourth question is find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. This question is also from arithmetic progression. So here what we have to find is that we have to find the first 40 positive integers sum which is divisible by 6. So what is the AP here? AP should be 6, 12, 18, 24, 40th value, which is 240. Here what is A? A is 6. D is also 6 because it is multiples of 6, and the last term, which is L, denoted by L, equal to 240. So we have to find the sum of this AP. It is very easy question also. So sum equal to Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L, which is L here is last term and A is first term, as you know. So what is n here? N is 40 because we have to find the 40 positive integers. So n is here 40. 40 by 2 into A equal to 6 plus L equal to 240. So 40 by 2 equal to 20 into 246 equal to 4,920. So this is the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. This question is very easy, na? Quite easy. So let's move to our fifth question, which is of quadratic equation. Here we have to find the point on x-axis which is equidistance from. So here we have our fifth question, which is from coordinate geometry. This is my favorite chapter. I like this most. Hope you all guys likes this chapter also. So now let's do it. What is the question? First of all, we have to read. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. So we have to find out a point which is equidistance, means same distance from two given points. So let the point on x-axis be a0, because it is on x-axis, so its y coordinate must be 0. So we have drawn a line here in which b equal to 2, -5 and c -2, 9. So a is middle of 2 points, then it will be equidistant from b and c. Because AB and AC are equidistant, so BA equal to AC, because they are situated at equal distance. So when BA equal to AC, so obviously BA square equal to AC square. So what is BA square here? BA square is calculated from distance formula, which is, I hope you all know. So what is BA square? BA square equal to x minus 2 square plus 0 minus 5, so plus 5 whole square, equal to what is AC square? AC square equal to x minus plus 2, so x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. So what is x minus 2 whole square? A square means x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 5 square 25 equal to x square plus 4 plus 4x plus 81. So x square is cancelled out by x square, 4 is cancelled out by 4, and minus 4x is taken in left hand side, so minus 4x minus 8x equal to 81 minus 25, which is 56. So the x is equal to -7. So the point is -7, 0. We have got the point A, which is on x-axis, equidistance from both the point. This question is also very interesting. Okay, let's move to our next question, which is the last question of this video. So this is our last question, which is from probability. This is very interesting chapter and very technical chapter, in which we have to use a lot of your mind. So first of all, we have to read our question. What is the question? A child has a die whose 6 faces shows the letters as given below, which is A, B, C, D, E, A. The die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A? And second question is D. So here total sample space equal to 6, because here 6 sample space, which is A, B, C, D, E and A, 6 different sample. So total sample space equal to 6. NS, which is represented by N of S, number of S means number of sample, equal to 6. So in first question we have to find out the probability of getting A. So let E1 be the event of getting letter A. So what is the number of event occurring A? So 2 here, because here in first and last letter we have A, so number of A equal to 2, and probability of E1 equal to number of E1 divided by number of sample space. So number of E1 equal to 2 and number of sample space equal to 6. So what is 2 by 6? 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3. So the probability of getting A letter is equal to 1 by 3. And similarly the probability of letter D will be calculated, which is let E2 equal to the event of getting letter D. So number of event is equal to 1 because D is only once here, and P of probability of E2 equal to number of E2 divided by number of S, so 1 by 6. So the probability of getting letter D is equal to 1 by 6 and A is equal to 1 by 3, which is we have calculated already. So this is very interesting and very easy question. So